Hi, Charlene. This is a dove. We found it. It was just a VM. And we found it because it was my fault. It was inside that jar with two other birds. Inside this jar, they made a mess inside of them. Inside this jar, because the last feeding when I fed Coco, I left it open and they went inside, started eating all of it. What should I do with the food? Is it so good? Because I'm scared that if that bird, I'm pretty sure it's a mountain dove, has rabies, and I don't want it to have rabies, and it's going to be inside my bird's food, and they're going to have rabies, and it's going to be so bad. And then my birds are going to die, and so what? I don't know. Well, there's the bird, and there's the jar, and I'm going to show you the bird in close up. It's right there. Kind of crazy right now. Well, I'm just wondering what should I do. And it's kind of crazy morning today. I live in Hawaii. Well, bye.